Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or back to my channel if you watch me. I hope you do. I appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. I'm a hot mess. It's very hot outside. My AC doesn't work in my car and I wish it did. I bought it, September will be 2 years ago. I bought my car and the AC worked for a week and I should have took it back. Look at my lipstick. Half on, half off. That's the mask for you. But anyway, yeah, it's very hot outside here in Florida. So sweaty. Lipstick's gone from my mask. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little grocery haul. I went to Walmart and Publix. So let's get into it. I'll do a little overview. I didn't buy much because it's just 3 people, me, my son, and my mom. But anyway, here's a little overview. There's another box of cereal back there. Just a little overview of everything I got. Okay, I got 2 things of egg noodles. Because I'm going to use one of them for homemade chicken noodle soup. I got 2 things of Quaker instant oatmeal, maple and brown sugar because I really like that. And then I got 6 things of rice. My son and my mom love rice, so I don't like rice that much. I'll probably eat it occasionally, but there's 6 things of rice. They eat rice every day, every night for dinner. Debbie cakes. Who doesn't love Debbie cakes? Frosted Flakes. Lucky Charms. Limited edition. I didn't see that. I don't know why. Oh, because the marshmallows look different. Galaxy marshmallows. Okay, and I got 2 bags of Lay's dill pickle chips. I cannot find these anywhere. I went to 3 Walmarts because I couldn't find something else I needed, so I had to go to 3 different Walmarts. Anyway, I got these Belgian waffles. These are the cinnamon. Last time I got the original. I found these at Walmart. I didn't even know Walmart had these. They were by the Debbie Cake. Anyway, I got these last time, and me and my son actually really like these. These are really good. And I got the cinnamon. I'm going to try out the cinnamon this time. I got Twinkies. I got the angel food cake because I love this stuff. It's so good. Got blueberry muffins. Bananas. That should have been over there with the fruit, with the vegetables. Anyway, I got these top sirloin steaks. I got this from Publix. These are fried chicken tenders. And I got some chicken wings from Publix. Hot and spicy chicken wings. Then I just got me a sub from Publix. This is a bacon jerk chicken. Then I got some garlic. I got some honey ham. Also got me a chicken Caesar salad from Publix. I'm sorry, from Walmart. I love these Krispy Kreme donuts from Walmart, and they are still the same price as if you go to a Krispy Kreme. They are still $11.99 a dozen. And I got this big tub of these are those Paul the Chester Cheetos Paul chip things. And then I love these Argentina red shrimp. These are so good. I got them at Publix. See if it's gonna focus. These are the best shrimp you will ever buy. I got 2 tomatoes, 1 corn. We have more in the fridge. 2 things of broccoli, a red pepper because I didn't have green. Wonder bread. I love this bread. Some carrots. Whole milk. I love, this is my milk. This is the milk I drink, me and my son. Then orange juice. Just the Walmart brand. Just the Walmart brand of orange juice. Silk milk for me. I get the unsweetened original. So, yep. That's it. That's everything. So, yeah. Okay. I'd appreciate if you guys would like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. You know, I'm trying to get my YouTube channel going. Hopefully I can. Bye. Thanks for watching.